Hello and welcome back to Insta TV. Today is the 27th of November and you're watching Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. The Japanese CPI report released today by the Statistics Bureau indicated that the country's overall consumer prices posted a slight upturn in October, while the annual core inflation rate remained negative at -0.1%. Japan's headline consumer price index edged higher, matching economists' expectations. Over the past month, the overall inflation indicator rose by 0.3% from a year earlier, in line with the forecast, up from the 0% seen in September. On average, economists had projected a 0.3% increase for October. However, the core CPI in Japan failed to break out of negative territory in October and stayed at -0.1%. Nevertheless, most market experts appear optimistic about the prospects for the Japanese economy. According to the Bank of Japan's inflation outlook revealed in October, the inflation rate, excluding fresh food and stripped of the effect of a sales tax increase, would be able to reach the annual 2% goal set by the regulator. Economists predicted that this would happen in the second half of the 2016 fiscal year. The Bank of Japan observes that future consumer price dynamics will be determined partly by energy prices. As for the Japanese currency, there was hardly any reaction to this news on the yen's price chart. The Japanese yen remained largely unchanged on the currency market since Thursday. The dollar-yen pair continues trading flat around 122.32. The US dollar remains broadly stronger against the other major currencies. The recent upbeat data from the United States added to the market expectations for the Fed's first rate liftoff in almost a decade, which offers additional support to the greenback. The U.S. regulator is expected to raise the benchmark federal funds rate at the policy meeting in December. Next week, currency market participants will be on the lookout for the U.S. pending home sales report. The index dropped by 2.3% in the previous reporting period. This time, economists are projecting a rise of 1%. If the indicator meets the forecast, this would give investors more confidence that the Federal Reserve will finally reconsider its monetary stance. As of today, another hot topic is the situation on the oil market. Global commodity prices have taken a downward swing. What is the reason behind this decline? Learn more from news releases later in the day on InstaForexx TV. Thank you for watching and goodbye.